Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here of MSAB. Today we're looking at drones and we're looking at the support available to you in XRY and Examine. So let's start with XRY. We're going to create a case, and if we go to device extraction to manually find devices and apps, and then in here if we just look for device types and then we go for drone, you're going to see all of the functionality in XRY that is going to support you for drones. But we also have import profiles to be aware of. So if we clear our filter, look for import profiles, and then we can scroll down and we can see that we have imports for V2 Forensics amongst others. So in Examine, here we go, we've created a case and now we need to go up to import. So we go to the ribbon bar, go to import, and then we select the drone type that we want. So we can obviously have DJI, but here we're going to go for an import V2 Forensics. We browse to the folder. So for this one, we're going to go for drones. And then I'm going to pick this first one, this Mavic Pro, select folder, hit OK, and then Examine is going to process that import. And it does it fairly quickly, and it brings in the event logs and the flight paths, and then you'll be able to have an XRY file of that drone extraction. And Examine has functionality in it so you can view the flight path, altitude and speed amongst other things. Drones are becoming a big part of digital forensic investigations, especially with corrections and other areas where they are being used for criminality. We hope that you can see how useful XRY and Examine can be when you're dealing with drones, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.